So how you doing, guys? My name is Ed. This is my first video that I'm attempting. I'm trying to determine whether or not the lighting in my shop and whether the sound quality is good enough to use my cell phone. So I'm just sort of walking around my shop. I've got a radio playing in the background that may or may not alter things, affect things. I've got LED lights in most of the shop. The lights over in this section aren't turned on, so let me turn those on and see if that makes a difference when I look at this video in a little bit to see. I've got quite a few windows in the shop, and that may help with natural lighting for a number of opportunities to take some video, particularly during the day, although it's going to start getting darker and darker around here. So let me see what it looks like. Let me hear the sound quality, and we'll see what happens.